Hey y'all, and welcome back to another vlog. Happy Wednesday. I don't even know today's date, but I do know that it's Wednesday, and today is going to be a mini haul from Walmart, obviously, as you can see here, and then it's going to go into a cleaning day vlog because the house is a mess, honestly. Like, I just been walking in the door, kind of just dropping everything down, just relaxing, and you know, the accumulation is kind of crazy. So let's just get right into this mini haul here that I have. So everything that I have in this bag is literally just to add on to what I already have in the house. So these are going to be just for like a lunch. I'm gonna have a sandwich for the next couple of days, and I'm just gonna pair a vanilla Greek yogurt with it just to get like my protein in. And the vanilla Greek yogurts from Dannon are so delicious. Mind you, I don't like yogurt on its own. I usually always throw it in a smoothie, but since I've been trying these right here, the texture is so perfect, and I can literally just throw a little granola on top and have it as a light pre-workout snack, or I can put it in a smoothie. You know, there's just so many things I could do with these Greek vanilla yogurts. So also, I've been putting so many people onto these, and everybody just loves the vanilla flavor or the toasted coconut. So if you have not tried these specific yogurts by Dannon, Light and Fit, please go check it out. I also bought some deli meat, and 2 ounces, y'all, is actually a lot on a sandwich, but it's very low in calories for those 2 ounces, and it's 18 grams of protein when I do have the serving size. So it's a quick way to get in some protein if you are looking for high protein. I just bought some provolone cheese to go with it, and this is ultra thin cheese. The serving size is 3 slices, and that's 110 calories, and also going to be 8 grams of protein for those 3 slices. So this just goes so good together, y'all. I also have the bread by Delightful, which is 45 calories a slice. So if you're looking for a low carb, high protein, low calorie lunch, the sandwich is going to be perfect. And I just go ahead and chop up some yellow banana peppers and put that on my sandwich. But one thing I did forget to get is some lettuce, but I'm not even tripping because I got spinach and kale in the fridge, so I'll probably just use that as a replacement. I got some bacon and eggs, obviously, just if I want a breakfast like with some Kodiak waffles, or if I want like a BLT, I'll have some eggs, tomato, and bacon on the Delightful bread that I just told y'all about. When I do endurance training, it is really important to have salt and sodium in your diet, just to replace as a replacement for electrolytes when you're doing like high endurance training. The pizza crust, y'all, these are kind of new for me. I've only bought these probably like 3 or 4 times, but please don't sleep on it. They are already pre-rolled, they're already rolled out, they're super thin, and I got some basil, some pepperoni in there, some turkey pepperoni. All I have to do is literally throw these in the oven for what, 15 minutes, and I got a bomb ass homemade pizza. Okay, earlier I wanted to get these at the store, but I didn't pick them up. I was just looking at them, and so I'm gonna, like, I love chocolate, and so like these are going to be my little snack right before bed. The serving size is 4 cups for 150 calories, and there's also protein in it. And so, like, why not, you know? Because lately I've been snacking on these little pre-made trail mix packages, and they're about 150 to 180 calories as well. This is just a little bit more high in protein, which is not a bad thing over here because we have a high protein diet. Happy Wednesday. I went ahead and got me some wine. I'm about to clean the house, do some laundry, and sip on a little bit of wine. I'm just really gonna like show you guys what it looks like. This is what it is currently looking like. about to get ourselves all the way together.
Really breaks my heart, but these are beautiful.
So next week I'm going to be doing a little like Halloween shopping just to decorate the outside of the apartment. So I think I'm going to include that in next week's vlog. So stay tuned for that. I put this up so my baby could be here in spirit, but baby, it's taking up a little space. So we about to take this down.
The baby ain't dead.
Okay, but he's not with us either. We could put the baby in the closet. Okay. And what do we have in it? Okay, for the aesthetics. Got some vanilla yogurt, drizzle with a little bit of honey, and Hershey's chocolate with a little granola. Bam, thank you, ma'am. Ancient grain granola. These TikTok viral, what the hell is it? Whipped cream, ice cream, frozen cups. Okay, shit is nasty. I ain't gonna lie, it's sweet. You know, it's sweet. It's definitely sweet. Alright, you guys, it is currently 6:30 and I just finished all 3 loads.
Under the lights, you look so amazing. It's the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated. Or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby, might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, it's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I got you,
Move the trash can and all fucking mosquitoes flew out. No way. We're done outside for today. I don't even know what really prompted me. I just started cleaning and like it feels so much more therapeutic as it gets dark. Probably because it is a full moon outside. So I need to go and take a shower before I actually fold these clothes because I'm really, really dusty.
it's 2020. You've been so patient.
That was gonna use it as
It's after 9 o'clock and I got most of everything done. As y'all can see here, it's just some dark clothes in the corner. I'm gonna go to sleep tonight. I'm gonna go to sleep right now. I'm putting the air on 70. About to blow both fans in my face, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Is it just me or is this week really flying by? Happy Thursday, y'all. Happy Thursday. I pretty much cleaned my house yesterday, cleaned my apartment. I did not get to the clothes yet. They're still on the couch, semi-complete. But of course, I'm going to the gym this morning. Alexa, stop. I still have that watermelon in the fridge, so I figured let's just have like a 32-ounce juice this morning. So I'm about to make watermelon, beet juice with a little bit of lemon.
We delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in a gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate. But I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. Keeping it between us two. No matter what we go through, I stay true. But can we survive the distance?
Cleanup is super fast. Beets is known to boost athletic performance as well, so I'm interested to see with this amount of beets and watermelon exactly what it's going to do for me in the gym. It's kind of like a pre-workout. I'm really like debating if I should still take my pre-workout or if I should just go all natural, but more than likely I'm not even going to take pre-workout. This is pre-workout, natural pre-workout. I got my breakfast here. I'm about to fold these clothes, and then you guys will see me get ready for the gym, and then that's going to be the end of this vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog.